Hello YouTube, my name is Mary. Today I'm cooking a Costco mussels. I purchased today almost 6-pound mussel at Costco, 5 pounds and 57 ounce, and it's $15.54. Look at this, guys. That's a lot. So I already washed it individually and I got my spices. I cook my mussel the way I like it, how my mother taught me to cook when I was a kid. So I have garlic, onion, tomato, and ginger. Ginger is always make the mussels smells good and taste good. So my pot is already hot, so I'm gonna turn up the little heat in here. So first thing first, I'm gonna, guys, this is my first time buy Costco mussels. There you go. Bring the aroma. There you go. Next, it's my onion. And garlic. It smells good. The aroma smells so good. And of course, my tomato. Everybody have their own way to cook mussels, and this is my way. This is my mother taught me how to cook when I was a younger, when I was a kid. There you go. So now I'm gonna wait until my spices all cook. The tomato is not cooked yet. There you go. For 54 hours, $15.54. This is not bad. This is a really good buy at Costco, guys. And I wash them individually. And I only put salt and black pepper on it also, and I do not put water. We never put water when we cook a mussels. We let the juice to have the mussel to have a juice on it. So there you go. It's a lot. Look at this. Yes, guys, I wash it individually. I mean, individually. I wash the sink, and then oh, there is another one in the sink. I clean my sink, and I drop them in the sink and wash them individually and drip the water. So I think 10 minutes, 10 minutes, yes. This is a lot of mussels, and I only put salt and pepper on it, and that's it. Yeah, salt, pepper, and salt. Usually we don't put salt on the mussels. Yeah, we don't. No, we don't, because the mussel itself is already got the salted on it. So no, we don't. I remember, no, we don't put the salt. Yeah, so I did, but a little bit only. Yeah, very good. So I'm gonna cook it like maybe 10 minutes. That's it, because I don't like my mussels overcooked. It smells good, guys. And there you go. So now I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna cover it and let it sit for like maybe 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip it, and let's see, huh? I'm gonna stay here so you guys can watch. There you go. So how's you guys Memorial weekend? Today it's sunny here in Maryland. Yes. And tomorrow I'll be helping my husband. We have a little space at flea market. We sell some other stuff, and I'm going there. And Monday, it's Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day, guys! There you go. Happy Memorial Day. This look really good. Yeah, so I did not know what water on it, but I consider it's a juice already. Yeah, my mother taught me how to cook mussel. Never put salt, because the mussel, it's got a natural salt on it. And do not put water. Yeah, so let the mussel, just let the mussel come out. The juice, I'm sorry, my English is not that good. I'm trying. Guys, I'm running out of content, so let's do a cooking show here. Yeah. And I'm trying to learn how to post a long video. I got a hard time posting a long video. Yeah, so most of the time I got only like a few seconds, but this time so far I got like 5 minutes. So let me try. Okay, bear with me, please, bear with me. Yeah, there you go. See? It's coming up now. Maybe I'm gonna put more. There you go. Put more heat in it. See, this start open. You see? Ah, hot. Yeah, this start open. Smells so good. The aroma smells so good. What you call this? The ginger and the onions and the garlic. I don't know why my mother always taught me how to just to saute with if we don't have tomato, it don't matter. It is not important, so you can saute it with just ginger. Ginger is very important when you cook. Just steam. This is called steam. It's healthy and delicious, believe me. And then the soup, we usually put it in the rice, guys, because I born in the farm in Philippines. Yes, so we don't really have nothing, but we have mussels. Yes, mussel is very affordable, and my mom will buy maybe a kilo. Yeah, that's what we do in Philippines. We don't have no pounds, we do a kilo. So 1 pound of kilo, and she cook it. And the soup itself, the juice, it's really good with white rice. And oh my God, it's delicious. And I'm here in America. I usually cook it with to my son, and my son love the juice. See, look at them. Look at, I cannot really see, but there is a juice in it. Yeah, there is a juice in it. And the juice, you can put it in white rice, and it's so tasty and delicious. Trust me. This is not what I'm gonna do today. Yeah. This is a lot. Yeah, so this start, once the mussel it's open, it's cooked. But I'm gonna put a few more to make sure that do not overcook your mussel, because if it's overcooked, it doesn't taste good. Yeah. There you go. Let me see it for another 2 minutes. Yeah, guys, and this is very tasty. I remember back in the days at the farm that like my mother taught me how to cook when I was like maybe 7 or 8 years old. Yes, in the firewood, and I missed the cooking in the firewood. And we just cook the mussel, saute with a little oil, and if we don't have tomato, we use only ginger. Ginger is everywhere. Yeah, because we can plant ginger in the backyard, so we use ginger, and it still good. Yeah, it still delicious. There you go. Or green onions. Green onions, you can plant that in your backyard. Yeah, everything like organic back in the days. I miss living in the farm, because what we eat is like organic. Yeah. Now see how they all open now, so that means it's cooked. Once the mussel is open, that means it's cooked. So let me try here. See, yeah, they're cooked now. Let me see. It's been 8 minutes. Maybe not. Okay, 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Okay. Maybe I'm gonna cover it. Oh, I dropped one. I'm gonna cover it. That's the dough. Yeah. So are you guys excited for the Memorial Weekend, all this cook out and the good food? I do. Yeah. Spending time and bonding with the families. Of course. Yeah, that's the best time ever, you know. Best time ever. I'm gonna cook for another few minutes, because it's a lot and my pot is not that big. There you go. Another, but they all pop up now. They all open now. There you go. Few more minutes. But they all open. I just want to make sure that it's all cooked so that we won't get sick, you know. So bear with me. Bear with me. I did not expect this much. I did not know how much the equivalent of 6 pounds to kilo. All I know a kilo. I know how much is the kilo. This is 6 pounds. So I don't know. But it's okay, because I can consume this for few days along with my rice, or sit down and eat it with your beer, you know. have some San Miguel beer, you know. Heineken, what else? Miller's Light. Yeah, it's a good appetizer. It's healthy and delicious. Thank you for bear with me, guys. I was trying to make a long video today so I can post it. And we'll see what's gonna happen because most of my video is a short video, like only few seconds. So far, I made it 14 minutes. Yeah! Yes. There you go. I'm gonna try. Oh, it's a lot of soup. Look at that. The soup right there, right there. Right here. Okay. Right there. Let me see. Yeah, it tastes good. Yeah. Yeah, it tastes good. Got the natural salt on it. So it's cooked now. See? That means it's just like not overcooked, because overcooked mussel it doesn't taste good. Yeah. It's cooked. Yeah. Yeah, it's cooked. There you go. So I'm done. I'm gonna eat it with my rice and enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching my video. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye. Bye, guys.